Seaweed, or macroalgae, refers to thousands of species of macroscopic, multicellular, marine algae. The term includes some types of Rhodophyta, red, Phaeophyta, brown, and Chlorophyta, green, macroalgae. Benefits: seaweed is rich in iodine and tyrosine, supporting thyroid health. Seaweed is rich in vitamins, minerals, fibers, and antioxidants, bringing several health benefits and gut and heart health. Seaweed may help decrease appetite and weight control due to fibers, protein content, and the ingredient called as fucoxanthin that may improve metabolism. Seaweeds are a very good complement in a vegetarian diet. They contain calcium, iron, and vitamin B complex. Possible side effects: seaweeds are not a high-quality source of B12 vitamin. Vegetarian individuals should take a cyanocobalamin supplement even though their consumption of seaweeds. Seaweed could contain heavy metals depending of their origin. Excessive consumption of seaweed can cause skin reaction and intestinal side effects. Individuals taking iodine should be careful with seaweed intake. Quantity recommendations: I would personally recommend 5 to 10 g of seaweed daily to address all health benefits due to high nutrients content of seaweed, apart from helping control appetite and increase protein intake in vegan individuals. The recommendation of seaweed in a vegetarian diet is every day. Their content of minerals and vitamins make them a good complement in based plants diets.